In this lesson, we'll be looking at how to play the C major scale with your left hand, and we'll be learning how to play one octave of it. Now we are going to learn how to play the C major scale on the left hand. Okay, and I'm going to play it here, which is one octave lower than middle C. So C major doesn't have any sharp or flat. You'll only be playing on the white key. And whenever you play a scale, you start from C. You go to where you want a C that is higher up. Okay, then you go back to that C again. So we are only going to play one octave for this lesson. So this is how the C major scale goes. So it is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 when you ascend. Okay, for ascending is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Alright? So you will turn after G. So after the thumb, you need to turn. So to turn, we are going to use the third finger to play A. So to do so, you are going to place the third finger above your thumb and go to A. So let's try it together. C on your fifth finger, D on your fourth finger, E on your third finger, F on your second finger, G on your thumb, then do a turn by placing your third finger above your thumb. So A on your third finger, B on your second finger, C on your thumb. So now that we have done the ascending, let's do the descending. So for descending, we are going from C all the way to the C. So starting from middle C with your thumb. So thumb, 1, 2, 3, then you turn. Now, when you want to turn, your thumb goes beneath your third finger. Okay, then F on the second finger, E on the third finger, D on the fourth finger, C on your fifth finger. Alright, let's do the C major scale together. C on your fifth finger, D on your fourth finger, E on your third finger, F on your second finger, G on your thumb. Do a turn by bringing your third finger above the thumb, and your third finger should now lie above A. Okay, third finger on A, then B on your second finger, then C on your thumb. Now let's do a descending. B on your second finger, A on the third finger. Do a turn by putting your thumb beneath your third finger, and now your thumb goes to G. Then F on your second finger, E on your third finger, D on your fourth finger, C on your fifth finger. Alright? Okay, so let's do the left hand now. So I'm going to say out the finger rings, okay, while playing the C major scale. So let's start with the fifth finger on C. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then do a turn by placing your third finger above your thumb and go to A. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, practice playing the C major scale. Once you're familiar, you can try to play a bit faster.